All right, trader nerds, welcome in to a Manic Monday. We are doing the stuff. Look at this. Nobody's trading today. 2,500 contracts. VIX is in the 13 handle, AD negative 49, and it looks like a range day, baby. It goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. Range, range, range. 80% of days are range days, 20% are trend days. This is a range day. So not much happening, really. Just just moving around a little bit. It's amazing with all the geopolitical stuff in the world that we don't have volatility even higher, isn't it? 13. Just it's going to come up at some point, y'all. And just get ready for it. Just make sure you're in a position to take advantage of it. So let's look at the big green monster. Well, let's look at the expected move. First of all, expected move looks like it's going up from last week. So it did in a little downtrend. So now the expected move is popped back up. So it looks like we could go up to the 52.95. That would be right at the 5,300. Wow. So let's see if it does that. Let's look at our exponential moving averages. We are above the 200-day moving average, which means we can allocate 50% of our portfolio to our strategy, as well as the 10 versus the 20 exponential moving average. The 10 is above the 20 on a weekly chart, so that it means 50%. And we also do look at the 10-month moving average, and we are well above the 10 monthly moving average. So let's look at the volume profile and the big green monster. We are fairly priced, and just as I said, we should fill in some of these gaps this week. That was the overall thesis or hypothesis of this week, is gap filling in here. So even though the expected move looks like it is an upward direction, we think that we're probably going to spend time in this area this week. Don't think we're going to go down here. I don't think that at all, but I don't know. Look out, but we're definitely going into here. So that's what the thesis is for this week. So let's look at our little IRA account, see how we're doing today. Now, normally we trade the regular IRA on Monday, but we're going to trade the Roth today. And the reason is because one of our GTC orders hit in it. So I just want to make sure that we cover that. So let's see how much money we got in this account today. We are at 56,988. 56,989. 56,989. Let's put that in. Oh, wait a minute. Wrong. I got the wrong thing. 56,989. Let me get the right spreadsheet. 56,989. Here we go. 56,989. Fire up the band, Rico. Now, it says we're up 6%, but we're actually up a little less than that because we added 25,000, and I don't know how to fix the formula to tell us exactly what we're doing here. But let's see, we could go to our realized return thing. Let's see here. January, we began January. Let's just see how we did. At 30,070, and we added 25. So we added 30,070, add 25. 30,070, and we added 25,000. And we ended the month, let's see, what did we end the month? January 31 was 55,260. Let's put that in. 55,260. So we were up, is that all? Waka. I don't good at all, is it? 55,260, we're only up 0.35%. So then let's look and see what we look like for February. So February, we started out with 55, and we ended February right at 55,868. 55,868. It'll be close. 55,868. 68. So we made 1.0% there. So we're not doing too well, are we? Well, but I think we're going to be fine this month. I mean, this month now we're at 55,868. And if we ended now, we are at 56,989. 56,989. 56,989. So we're up 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. All right. Everything looks really, really good. It says 6.38, market's up 9.48, almost 10%, but everything looks really, really good. So we've got that in. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios today. So we can press it. Let's push it today. So our Greeks and ratios looks like we are at 62 deltas and 46 theta. 63, 46. 63, 46. 63, 46, and VIX is at 13. And the buying power usage that we got going on is 16,420. 16,420. Yeah, so you can tell when that goes down like 4,000 like that, you know one of your GTC orders hit, right? So we should, in this little thing, have a total of, see how many positions this thing says we should have. We should have 35.62 positions. I don't think we're anywhere near that. 2 a week. And we actually have 16 positions. So we're not fully allocated. And what do we say our buying power is? 28%. Okay. And let's see if any of our trades say that we need to come off. Slide, slide, slide. Ignore the slide. I got to take those off. But we do have something that says close. Look at this. We've got a short hedge that needs to close. It's down to 18 days to expiration. So let's see if we can close those. BSH4, this is 3,900s. Let's go find those. We got 3 of those, 3,900s. Do our what did I say? BSH4, 3,900s. These 3. Create closing order. And they're at 40 cents. Remember, we want to take them off when they were 20 cents, but that's fine. We'll just take them off now. So let's take them off for 35 cents. Come here, little feller. Nothing. Jack squat crap. 35 cents. We'll have to go to 40. That's okay. There we go. So we're out of those at 40 cents. Let's put those in. Out of these 3,900s at 40 cents. And we closed them on control colon. Is today's date. So we made Applebee's money, baby. Let's see. We made $394 on those naked puts. So that leaves us with 5. But then we also bought 5, didn't we? So let's see what we did today. We bought 5 somewhere in the Sweet Bobby hedge. Let's go over here. In the field order, we bought 5 3,100s for $1.60. 5 3,100s is $1.60. So hold on. 5 3,100s at $1.60. Let me see if I can find those. 3,100s. Aha. This right here, BSH 6. So we did we did 5. And we did this is BSH 6. 3,100s, puts, long hedge. How many days in it? Well, same amount as these shorts, right? So they have days left, 88 days. Oh boy, that's great. So look at there, it just took us 10 days. Remember, that's what we think that most of our GTC orders take. It's about 11 to 14 days for those to fill. So that's good. That's kind of keeping in where we thought we'd be. So, and then we bought those for $1.60. All right, so now let's look and see at our, what's that? Let's see how many longs and how many shorts we got. We got 24 shorts and 35 longs now. So that's good. So what we'll need to do is let's sell another at least 3 today. Now, I probably wouldn't do 6, though. I don't think I'd do 6. I think I'd do 3. 24, 35. That'll be 27, 35. So what's that? 9. Yeah, 9 times 5. Yeah, I say let's just do 3. So let's go over here and start our next hedge up. So we'll go trade ES somewhere over 60 days. Where you want to put them? Oh, we got a 60-dayer. Let's put something in there. We don't have anything in there. And let's sell 3 $3 ones. So let's sell these for $3. 40 50s. 3 of those. $3. We're going to try the mid price and probably not get filled. Yeah. Work it, baby. Work it. Cancel replace. Pop it down to $3. And fill. All right. So we got the 40 50s, 60 days out for $3. 40 50s. Y'all remember that. 40 50s. 40 50s for $3. We sold 3 of them. And this is going to be BSH 8 40 50s, puts, short hedge, 60 days, 325 24, and we got them for $3. So we probably need to, our calculator, if we get them at $3, that means we need to do about $1.55. Yeah, let's do that. So let's go put our GTC orders in. So we want to close this position at 20 cents. So create closing position when it gets down to 20, right? And let's make this a GTC order. And boom, baby. Make sure I see my thing over here. Yep, buy the 3 for 20 cents. And then we want to buy these 5 for $1.50 or $1.55. And we're going to buy 5 of those to complete the Sweet Bobby hedge. So $1.55 and GTC. There we go. Now, sweet, huh? Let's look at any of our regular naked positions. So none of our naked positions say that we need to take them off, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Naked put 1 is 53 days. Those are put debit spreads. Here's a naked put with 25 days on it. So it must be going to tell me to close that when it gets down to 21. I'll let it go another week. That's fine. And let's put on a 2-lotter today. Isn't that what it said our position size was? Yep, 2.37. So let's do a 2-lotter of our 111s. So we'll go to macros, go closest to 120 days. So we got 116 days. And let's buy or sell the naked at about a 10 delta right in here, 1083. So let's sell the 4800s and just do 2 of them. Come on, little baby. Come on. 2 of them for $33.50. 4800s, $33.50. 4800, $33.50. Y'all help me remember that. 4800, $33.50. 4800, $33.50. All right. And we did 2 of those, right? So MES. God, I hope I did that in MES. Let's make sure. Yeah. Whew. All right. So we did 2 of those, and we'll call this naked put 116. Puts. This is a naked at 116 days. And today's date. There we go. And let's go do a put debit spread in this 116 days. So we want to be about a 25 delta or so. So let's just put them where we've already got it. Let's do a 50-50, 5,000. 50-50, 5,000. Hold your control key down. 775. So let's do 2 of these. 50-50, 5,000. Nothing. 50-50, 5,000. Let's bump it up. Come on. Come on, little feller. Where you at? Let's go to $8. Maybe 8 will feel. Nothing. Jack squat crap. That's all right. I got nothing but time. Time is our most valuable asset. And the older you get, the more precious it is. So enjoy your time. So let's see if we can do this. That ought to feel. There we go. We filled at 810. 810 on 2 of those. Let's put that in. 810. So we did the 50-50s, 5,000 puts. Oh, darn it. Dagnabbit. Puts debit spread, 116. And the date, and we did MES, two of those. Then we'll call that PDS 116. All right, that's it, y'all. Let's see what y'all chatting about. Roll Tide, Sweet Bobby, Sweet 16 bound. I know I watched a little bit of that game last night. It was kind of, I don't know, it's hard for me to watch basketball. I don't know sometimes, but I love it. I mean, I want Alabama to do well, and we are in the Sweet 16, so that's very good. That's very good. And it is good seeing Georgia in the NIT conference. Oh, those Bulldogs. All right, y'all be good, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Bye, y'all.